1. Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones offer an incredible, industry-leading noise cancellation experience that redefines quiet. 2. Imagine your noisy commute or bustling office fading into pure serenity. These literally silence distractions, letting you focus on your audio like never before. 3. And with an astonishing 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy weeks of immersive listening on a single charge, perfect for long flights or daily use. 4. Switching seamlessly between your phone and laptop, the clever multi-point connection makes it effortless, boosting your productivity and entertainment flow. 5. But it's not just about specs. It's the premium audio quality and plush, comfortable design that makes these the ultimate all-day wear for audiophiles and busy professionals alike. 6. If you're serious about upgrading your listening experience and demand the best noise-canceling headphones, the XM5s are a game-changer. 7. Curious about the latest pricing and specs? Check out the Amazon link in our description below to get yours today. 8. From crystal-clear calls to deep, resonant bass, every detail of your music or podcast truly shines through. 9. Don't settle for less. This is the quiet comfort and superior sound you've been searching for in 2025. 10. Seriously, for anyone looking to buy the best electronics, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are our top recommendation this year. Grab them now.